What's up guys? Another day in Valencia. It's quite cold, but anyway, it's a practice day, so a fun day in front of us. Guys, you're freaking killing it. Dominic, who has the best fans, man?
I think we do.
We have, man, rock on fans around the world. Thanks a lot for the support, man. Our channel is growing so quick. As we can see, you're freaking loving our vlogs, so it's a big motivation for us, and that's why we are here, and doesn't matter if it's cold. So today I'm gonna show you my favorite 5 tricks with my RC 390 and the Duke 690. It's a bit wet, but I'm gonna give my best. Guys, we didn't forget, today is the giveaway day, so we're gonna give away later in the vlog the new 2018 Rock on Street helmet. But before we do that, let's go shred some cool tricks. This is my first favorite trick, so-called staller stoppies. I love those technical stoppies since you can use the obstacles what you have on the stunt spot. So we have a lot of tires here, so it's super fun to do them now.
But okay, let's use this big bad boy.
Okay, let's try to stall this big fat tire. That's a part of the game. Okay, next trick is a so-called look back circle wheelie. I think that's the name of the trick, I don't know. Anyway, you can correct me in the comments below. So this trick I love because you can surprise or scare your crowd on the show, or just check the rear tire if it has still enough grip. And by the way, we have the first tour dates. The first one gonna be in Istanbul, 22nd of February, and the second one gonna be in Nepal. First time we're gonna fly to Nepal on March 10th, gonna be the big show in Kathmandu. So I'm really looking forward, and you can check more information about the future shows in the description below. Trick number 3 is definitely drifting. So let's take the 390 and let's go sideways. Drifting. Let's go. Time for a giveaway, and let's see who is the winner. We have the app ready. 3,791 entries, guys. You freaking love the new 2018 helmet, right? So let's see who is the winner. Let's draw the winner in 3, 2, 1, draw. 10%. Okay, we have a winner, number entry 2688, Kevin Malterer from Germany. That's it, Kevin from Germany. This new 2018 Rock On helmet is yours. Have fun with it, stay safe on the bike. Send us a picture when you get it. And yeah, that's it guys, don't worry, the new giveaway is already in the pipelines. And if you still want to have this helmet, you can find a link in the description below. next trick you probably saw me doing a lot. I'm talking about the 180 shuffle. I just love to throw my bikes around with an ease. Since the KTMs are really light, so it's really nice to do those tricks. So I'm doing the 180 shuffle, but I'm gonna try to upgrade this trick with a 180 shuffle rollback. So let's twerk a little bit with the bike. Bam! The last trick is the so-called side wheelie circle jump. I don't know how it's called, but I just love that trick since I use the compression of my suspension and just jump on the side and just use it for the next tricks to come with the wheelie circle combinations. So let's do this trick. That's it, guys. My favorite top 5 tricks that I like to do now. And yeah, give me some ideas in comments below. What should we shoot in the next vlogs? I always like to read your comments. The guys just arrived. The guys are shredding, so I need to continue with my practicing. So thanks for Moto Escuela Valencia to give us the place so we can practice here for whole 3 weeks. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go ride for the last sunny moments. So see you in the next vlog. Till then, rock on.